In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons with icons in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and head to the page where you want to place the button. The goal here is to build a clean, clickable button that includes both text and an icon, while keeping everything aligned and easy to style. First, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon, then drag a link block onto your canvas. This link block will act as the actual button wrapper, which means the entire area can be clicked, not just the text or the icon. That gives you a much better user experience and makes the button feel more polished. Next, drag a text block inside the link block and type in your button text. Keep the wording short and clear so it reads well inside the button. After that, drag an image element into the same link block and place it right next to the text block. This image will be your icon. Now upload a clean crisp vector icon into your Webflow Assets panel. Ideally an SVG file. SVGs usually scale much better than other image formats, so they stay sharp and professional looking. Once the icon is added, adjust its size so it feels balanced next to the text. Then update the text size and color. Make sure the font size is easy to read, ideally somewhere around 14 to 16 pixels, so the button remains accessible and clear. With the basic content in place, select the main link block again. In the Style panel on the right, go to Layout and set the display to Flex. Set the direction to horizontal or row, so the text and icon sit side by side. Then set Align to center and Justify to center, or left if that better matches your design layout. This helps everything line up neatly inside the button. Next, give the button some comfortable spacing by adding padding, such as 12 pixels on the top and bottom and 24 pixels on the left and right. Then go to Borders and add a border radius between 6 and 8 pixels for a softer, more modern look. After that, choose a primary brand color for the button background so it fits the rest of your design. To control the spacing between the text and the icon, use the gap setting in Flexbox and set it to something like 8 or 12 pixels. This is a cleaner method than adding manual margins and makes adjustments much easier later. Finally, with the button still selected, open the State dropdown at the top of the Style panel and switch to Hover. Slightly tweak the background color so the button becomes a little darker or lighter when someone moves their cursor over it. Then click Preview to test the button and see how it feels in action. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.